Vegetable names in English: carrot, potato, tomato, onion, garlic, cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, spinach, lettuce, pumpkin, cucumber, zucchini, corn, eggplant, bell pepper, beans, peas, mushroom, celery, radish, beetroot, turnip, sweet potato, chili pepper, ginger, asparagus, artichoke, okra, leek, spring onion, kale, kohlrabi, bamboo shoots, yam, Brussels sprouts, Swiss chard, fennel, cassava, butternut squash, acorn squash, spaghetti squash, mustard greens, parsnip, endive, edamame, seaweed, watercress,